just wanted to show you what came out of my Tumblr just now. I haven't really had a lot of time to go through it to clean it up, but I got some really pretty patterns spoons given to me the other day. I'm thinking about a bracelet ring combo. I think it would look really nice. And the rest of this is parts for our new bow ties. I still have to figure out the strapping system, but I know I can order those parts. But it's 2 forks, a stem from 2 other pieces of silverware, and a souvenir spoon center. And then these slides in the back, those are 2 forks also. So the rest of this is enough to make, I think, 8 or so bow ties, and got little fork tines here that I've been saving for years that I gotta cut to the right length and shape. And then I have one other design I'm going to be working on in the fork tines, or in the ties. So I'm going to try and see how it kind of works out. I know the one I wore yesterday that was like this was a huge success. So I'm looking forward to it. And hopefully in the next couple of days I'll have a bunch more of these set up and have a better time frame and price for them. But that's what was in my Tumblr today. I'm looking forward to making all these new ties, bow ties, and these rings and bracelet hopefully this weekend. Alright, so that's what came out of my Tumblr. Hope you guys all have a great day, and make sure you like and subscribe and press the little bell to get notified.